Hi there, it's Shell, and today we are doing December the 1st and our December daily. So I figured I would be like one day behind, just so that I can kind of collect my thoughts and things like that from the day before. So I am using this little card, December daily, that I made, and if you're interested in seeing more or learning how to make this, I will put a link below, so you can certainly go over there. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so that you can follow along for the month of December. We're going to have a lot of fun things going on. So this is my December daily, the first year I've done this, and there's not, there's not 31 pages in here. Not quite. I think there's like 28 or something like that, but that's fine with me because I'm going to double up on some of the days and just kind of make it work. So what I am thinking for this day is, I kind of went through, made sure all my days are kind of spread out, and I printed off some digitals, and I'm not 100% sure whose digitals these are, but I will put a link below who they belong to. So I just went ahead and I thought they were red, but they're kind of like a dusty rose color and kind of tan, which is fine because it's more like a country, maybe Christmas, and that's fine with me, So let me show you what I have planned for December 1st, 2018. Okay, so we didn't do a whole lot. We stayed home. It did snow for the first time, and I think we're up to 8 or so inches. It's pretty good snow here. So, but I did find this adorable cartoon, and this is Pickles Comics, and it says, I don't know if you can read that. I'm trying to get in frame there. It's only December 1st, and all I've eaten today is fudge and candy canes. By Christmas Day, I'll be so fat I won't be able to squeeze through the front door. That's it, no more fudge or candy canes. Then his wife's yelling, "Who wants sugar cookies?" And he says, "Over here." So, I just love that. So, I'm going to go ahead and put that in here because no one says that you have to, there are no rules for putting in your journal whatever you want to put in. So what I did is I went ahead and went through my scraps. I'm trying to use up some scraps, and I wanted a little frame around the cartoon. So I just took the cartoon into my Photoshop and cut it down so that it would fit my daily. So, and if you're looking for a December daily like this, similar, I do have some in my Etsy shop right now, and I will put that link below also, but it is Shell Bears Creations on Etsy. Okay, so I did that, and I'm going to go ahead and frame that in this white. But let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set this aside, and I kind of want this frame to be, let me see if I can find a little, I want it to fold right here and about right here. In that way, I'll still have the little frame all the way around. So I'm just gonna do it here and hope I get it straight. Okay, there we go. You can do whatever you want to, and so many people right now are doing December dailies. It's so fun. And like I said, this is the first time for me, but I have some plans. We don't have kids. We do have some honorary grandkids and some honorary nieces and nephews that we'll spend some time with this month. So, isn't that cute? Okay, so here's my thought, is to put this here, and it just fits, and use it as a flip. So it's going to flip open, so I can go ahead and journal on the back if I want to, and You know, I don't have a whole lot going on that went on yesterday, so I won't have a huge need for journaling, but I will, you know, write. Like I sent the kids, my grandkids, some advent calendars, you know, that have chocolate in it. So I'm going to put that I mailed that to them, and, you know, that we had our first snow, things like that. I think that'll be really fun to kind of journal about. So, so I really wanted this to have more Christmas colors, even though this doesn't. You know, I kind of wanted my one to have more color, but, well, so what I did is I just went ahead and went through my scraps and got some more Christmas color. I could go back on and find a different digital that had the colors I wanted, but I really thought these were the right ones, and, you know, I'm just going to make it work. Don't stress, just make it work. Okay. Let's go ahead and just cut this down. I think that's just a little bit too wide all the way around. Well, a couple of them. Okay, so we're going to put this here. I haven't decided where I'm going to put this. I might put it right here, actually, like on the back. I kind of like that. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. That way I know I have room for it. So if I do journal on the back, I won't mess anything up. So, and if you guys are, you know, looking to what is junk journaling, then you can, you know, kind of, what I'm doing now is junk journaling. So when I was telling my husband earlier, if I would have kept my receipt for like mailing the kids candy, that, you know, I could have kept that and written on that also. So now I have some coffee dyed paper, and I just wanted to kind of have just a little place here for writing. And doesn't have to be perfect or anything. You could certainly distress ink around it, but I forgot to grab my distress ink. Let me see what I have. I have pink. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, so I have my distress ink, and I don't have my blender. I put it up and I forgot to bring it out. So I'm just going to kind of add just a little bit of color, because that's what I like. You guys have met Sophia. As you know, the story of my life. What a mess. Okay, so I really like that. But you know what? I think I'm going to just write on it before I glue it down. Just get a pen and just kind of put December 1st. I don't know if you guys can see that. 2018. First snow of the season. Over, and yesterday we had about 5 inches, so I'm going to put over 5 inches and more on the way, more expected. Mailed Haley's, Dean's, and Kyle's Advent calendars, Advent chocolate calendar, and one for Kendra, so she won't steal their chocolate. Because that's why I sent Kendra one. My niece Kendra is a chocoholic. And I figure that way she has her own thing of chocolate. Okay, and I'm just going to put that there. I like to put fun things in my books. You know, it just makes me happy, and that's just what I like to do. So I think what I'm going to do over here is just kind of do a little Christmas scene, because I really don't have anything else for December 1st. So my hands are all... Okay, I had a few items in here, and this is just some leftovers that I had. How cute! From previous projects, and I haven't really set up anything for my December daily. Some people have done such a wonderful job, and I am just like, you know, kind of winging it. Oh, I like him. That's cute. And then these, if you guys want to know where these graphics are from, then let me know, and I will link them below. Okay, I'm going to go with that. I think that's really cute. Okay, it's all about Santa. And I really like collaging. I think that's so fun. And if you kind of get into it, then you really, you know, it really is fun. So I'm just going to kind of do my kind of distress ink on him, just because he was so white, and I kind of wanted him to kind of pop out a little bit. Let's see. Move my little guy over here so you guys can see that better. So I'm just going to put him here. And then I really love this digital. I'm thinking they're from Artie Mays, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if I can fit him under there. Nope. Put him on top. And then this beautiful, this I made with 3 different dyes. So, and then I put some stickles and some glue on here. I thought that would be really pretty. So I'm just going to pop some glue there and add it. And then I feel like I need something on one of these corners. So let me keep looking and see what I have here. That's kind of cute, the little snowflakes. I think I'll just use those. Kind of hard to see, but that's okay. Kind of just adds a little bit of definition and a little bit of decoration. You know, you don't have to do anything huge for your December dailies. It's just fun, and what I really like is you kind of get to kind of decorate maybe with some of your scraps and stuff that you've used through the year or through the season. Let's see, that's too long. Pretty sure I got all these from Artie Mays. Let's see. You know what? Yeah, I don't think it'll hurt anything. Ooh, I want that one there. Santa Claus is coming to town. I need one little thing left. One more thing. I'll know it when I see it. Okay, let's just make it work. So I'm going to put this little Santa Claus is coming to town right here. And then I feel like I need something right there to kind of soften that little corner. So, but I'm not sure what. I think I'll just stick this little one down. This is part of that digital kit. And there we go. And there is day 1 of my December daily. I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back tomorrow for day 2. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.